when I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.